Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Cloud IAM roles with policy revisions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Google Cloud IAM roles with policy revisions, begin by accessing the Google. Log in with your Google credentials. Navigate to the IAM and Admin section in the left-hand menu. Select IAM from the drop-down. Locate the specific role that you want to restore. Click on the three vertical dots next to the role. Choose View Policy History from the options presented. This action will display the revision history for that role. Review the list of policy revisions available. Identify the specific revision you wish to restore. Click on the revision date or identifier to view more details. Take note of the policy that needs to be restored. Return to the IAM page. Click on the Edit button to modify the current IAM policy. In the policy editor, paste the restored policy from the chosen revision. Double-check all permissions and role assignments. Once you are satisfied, click the Save button to apply changes. Google Cloud will confirm that your policy has been updated. Verify the restoration by checking the permissions granted in the updated role. Consider documenting the changes for future reference. Regularly review IAM roles to maintain security and compliance. This process ensures that your Google Cloud IAM roles remain accurate and functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.